Hi guys, Dan Stollers here. A very good afternoon to you all. Here we go then. It's hot outside. It's probably going to be hot for the next few days as well. So if you do have a spare minute, if you do want to hide from the sun, this is going to be the perfect game for you. Might be a little bit frustrating, unfortunately, and it does get more difficult as the video goes on. So what is the video? What is the game? Well, it is the close-up coins game. In this video, you're going to see 10 close-ups of images of commemorative coins. There's a 10p, a couple of 50p's and a £2 hidden within. There's actually 10 close-ups altogether, and again, when you get to 9 and 10, if you can't get them all, don't worry, it's not a competition. Again, it is for a little bit of fun, and please do drop your answers in the comment section below. The video will be on loop a couple of times after I've stopped talking the first time we've been through it, just so you can all concentrate and get those guesses in below. Again, some of them may be twisted around, they could be upside down, put on 90 degrees, just trying to make it a little bit more difficult. And there is some territory coins in here as well, which means they could be from the Isle of Man, Jersey, Guernsey or Gibraltar. Again, I really do hope that you enjoy this game. If you do have a specific game as well that you would like to see featured on the channel, please do hit it there in the comment section below. Best of luck then with the 10 on this one. Can't wait to see all of your answers, and we'll go through them all on Wednesday afternoon. At the end of the video, again, it isn't a competition, but we will have a little look to see if anyone has managed to guess them all correct. There still hasn't been a week where nobody has not actually managed to get them all right. Is this going to be the week that I win? Maybe not, but we'll see on Wednesday. Have a great day, stay safe, and as always, thanks for watching.